Today we are going to learn about model deployment with the AWS SageMaker, step by step. We will explore how to deploy machine learning models using SageMaker, focusing on setting up an AWS account, uploading models, configuring endpoints, and managing deployment at scale.
Welcome to our video on model deployment with AWS SageMaker, step by step. Today, we'll explore the powerful capabilities of AWS SageMaker, a cloud-based solution that streamlines machine learning model deployment. With SageMaker, you can efficiently train, tune, and deploy models at scale, making it an invaluable tool for data scientists and developers. Throughout this video, we'll guide you through setting up your AWS account, uploading your models to SageMaker, configuring endpoints, and more. By the end, you'll have the knowledge and skills to deploy models confidently and effectively. Let's get started. The first step in deploying models with AWS SageMaker is setting up your AWS account. If you don't already have one, go to the AWS website and create an account. Once you've signed up, you'll gain access to the AWS Management Console, a powerful interface that allows you to manage your AWS services. As a best practice, it's crucial to understand IAM roles, which help you manage permissions and access to your AWS resources. Additionally, setting up billing alerts ensures you stay informed about your usage and costs. Lastly, configure your security credentials to protect your account. This foundational setup is essential for using SageMaker effectively.
Once your AWS account is ready, navigating to AWS SageMaker is straightforward. Start by logging into the AWS Management Console and searching for SageMaker in the Services menu. Upon opening SageMaker, you'll be greeted by the SageMaker dashboard, which provides an overview of your resources and activities. Here, you can explore various SageMaker features, such as SageMaker Studio, a comprehensive IDE for machine learning tasks. SageMaker Studio integrates tools for data preparation, model building, and deployment, enhancing your productivity. To deploy models, you'll need to launch SageMaker instances, which provide the computational power required for your tasks. Familiarizing yourself with the dashboard is key to efficient model deployment. With access to SageMaker, the next step is to upload your machine learning models. Start by preparing your model files, ensuring they are compatible with SageMaker's requirements. SageMaker offers built-in algorithms for common tasks, but you can also upload custom models to Amazon S3, a cloud storage service. Once your model is in S3, create SageMaker model objects to define how your model will be used in deployment. It's important to understand model versioning, which allows you to manage different iterations of your model. This flexibility ensures you can deploy the most suitable model version based on your needs. Deploying a model in SageMaker involves configuring an endpoint. Begin by creating an endpoint configuration, which specifies the compute resources and model containers used for inference. Select instance types that match your performance and cost requirements. Then, set up model containers that contain the runtime environment for your model. Once configured, deploy your model to an endpoint, making it accessible for real-time predictions. After deployment, test the endpoint's functionality to ensure it's operating correctly. This process is crucial for making your model accessible to applications and users, facilitating seamless integration into production environments.
Once your model is deployed, monitoring its performance is essential. AWS SageMaker provides Model Monitor, a tool for tracking model performance over time. With Model Monitor, you can identify data drift, where the input data distribution changes, potentially impacting model accuracy. Setting up alerts for anomalies ensures you are notified of any significant deviations from expected performance. By analyzing this data, you can make informed decisions to improve model accuracy and maintain reliability. Continuous monitoring is vital for keeping your models effective and ensuring they deliver accurate predictions in dynamic environments.
As your application grows, scaling model deployments becomes necessary. AWS SageMaker offers auto-scaling functionality, allowing you to adjust resources based on demand automatically. Managing multiple endpoints ensures your application remains responsive and can handle increased traffic. Balancing cost and performance is crucial, as over-provisioning can lead to unnecessary expenses. Optimize resource allocation by using SageMaker inference recommendations, which provide insights into the most efficient configurations. Scaling effectively ensures your models continue to deliver high-quality predictions, even as workloads increase, making SageMaker a robust solution for growing applications.
Security is a top priority when deploying models with AWS SageMaker. Implementing data encryption ensures your data is protected both at rest and in transit. Configuring IAM policies allows you to manage who has access to your SageMaker resources, enhancing security. Ensuring endpoint security involves setting up secure communication protocols and monitoring for unauthorized access attempts. Regularly monitoring access and activity helps you detect and respond to potential security threats. Additionally, comply with relevant regulatory standards to ensure your deployment meets industry requirements. Addressing these security considerations is crucial for protecting your data and maintaining user trust.
Managing costs effectively is essential when using AWS SageMaker. Utilize AWS cost management tools to gain insights into your spending and identify opportunities for savings. Monitoring usage and spending allows you to make data-driven decisions and avoid unexpected expenses. Implement cost-saving strategies, such as using spot instances for non-critical tasks and scheduling resources to shut down when not in use. Choose cost-effective instance types that meet your performance requirements without incurring unnecessary costs. SageMaker offers various pricing plans, allowing you to select the most suitable option for your budget. By focusing on cost management, you can optimize your use of SageMaker and maximize your return on investment.
AWS SageMaker offers a range of advanced features that enhance your machine learning workflows. SageMaker Experiments allows you to organize, track, and compare multiple model runs, facilitating experimentation and optimization. The SageMaker Debugger provides real-time insights into the training process, helping you identify and resolve issues quickly. SageMaker Autopilot automates model development, allowing you to create high-quality models with minimal manual intervention. Additionally, you can leverage pre-trained models available in the AWS Marketplace, accelerating deployment. Integrating SageMaker with other AWS services, like AWS Lambda and AWS Glue, enhances your data processing and model serving capabilities. These advanced features can significantly boost your productivity and model performance.
While deploying models with AWS SageMaker is generally smooth, you may encounter issues that require troubleshooting. Identifying deployment errors involves checking logs and error messages to pinpoint problems. Resolving endpoint configuration issues may require revisiting your setup to ensure all components are correctly defined. Handling instance availability challenges involve selecting appropriate instance types and regions to avoid resource constraints. Addressing model performance problems may require retraining or tuning your model to improve accuracy. If you encounter persistent issues, accessing AWS support resources, including documentation and forums, can provide valuable assistance. Being prepared to troubleshoot common issues ensures your deployments remain successful and efficient. AWS SageMaker is widely used across various industries to enhance operations and drive innovation. In healthcare, SageMaker enables predictive analytics, improving patient outcomes and streamlining resource allocation. Retailers leverage SageMaker for personalized recommendations, enhancing customer experiences and increasing sales. Financial institutions use SageMaker to detect fraud and automate decision-making processes, improving security and efficiency. Additionally, SageMaker's capabilities are expanding into areas such as autonomous vehicles and IoT, offering new opportunities for innovation. By exploring real-world applications, you can see the transformative potential of SageMaker in action, inspiring you to apply these techniques in your own projects. As we conclude our exploration of model deployment with AWS SageMaker, let's recap the key steps: setting up your AWS account, uploading models, configuring endpoints, and monitoring deployments. SageMaker offers significant benefits, including scalability, flexibility, and advanced features that enhance your machine learning workflows. Remember to prioritize security and cost management to maximize the efficiency of your deployments. We encourage you to continue exploring SageMaker and leverage its capabilities to innovate and drive success in your projects. Thank you for joining us, and we hope you found this video informative and inspiring.